Hi my friends, today we model this part, which is not complicated, and you will be happy to model it. The name is cross housing, and the drawing is here. All dimensions needed are here, so we can start. Standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, line, up, 63. This is an axis, and we draw some lines as usual. 1, 2, press the left button and go somewhere here. To the left, tangent, down and back to the axis. You see we have tangencies all over. We also have perpendicular. This is horizontal. So we have to place only 4 dimensions. 5 with this, of course. This is 50. This is 106. The radius 16. And the dimension here of 6. All these dimensions are in the drawing, of course. 63, 50, radius 16, diameter of 106, and 6 here. Finish sketch. Revolve, and we have the first volume. Now this front plane with a sketch. The sketch has dimensions 36 from the base, 54 diameter, and at 45 degrees is a circle with this diameter for creating the bosses with the holes. Diameter of this is 50, as you can see. Okay, this is placed at the 36 millimeters distance from the center. We create a plane based on the plane XY at 36. Then a sketch with a circle of 50 placed on the same vertical with the center point and at a distance of 36 from the base. 36. Then we draw a line, this line, with the length of 54 divided by 2, tab, and 45 degrees. this line must be construction line. And we draw a line from the circle. I hover on the line to get the parallel. You see the sign of parallel. Then I press the left button, I go here and back to the circle. You see the constraints, the marks of the constraints. This is radius. Radius is forgotten by me. Let's see what is that dimension. Annotate and radius 4. Double click 4. This point must be here, so we make them coincident, and we have a fully constrained sketch. I apply circular pattern for these three entities, 2, 1, 2. I press the left button, the shift button, to select all of them. Axis is here. The number is 4. Okay, finish sketch, extrude to the other direction. It means to the part. And also selecting these 4 bosses. Okay, visibility. Now we concentrate on these 2 areas with the same axis, this one and this one. Dimensions are here, and take care these 2 arcs have the same center. We use this plane XY, F7. We project both lines and we draw a vertical between these 2 points. This is the axis. Then we project also this. We project also this arc to have its center. Then we draw lines. This is 1 millimeter. We go to the right. We press the left button and go up to the right and at the bottom I connect these 2 points and I make construction of this line. This is 11. This is 40. $36. 86 is this small cylinder, and now we see that we can move this arc to the left at our will. But I mentioned that this point is the center of both. So let's make concentric. This one with this one. Yes. Now we have the first area finished. The other is simpler. A vertical to the right, up to the left, up again. I draw these two end lines, and I also make this construction. Dimensions here are 10, 8, diameters 30, 24. And here 28. One dimension needed. Let's see what is that dimension. Oh, I didn't connect these 2 points. Remove, done. Coincident, this end line with this end line. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish, revolve. Since we have 2 areas, Inventor waits for us to select one, the other, or both. You see this blue underline. We go in the area and we find one. We also search in the area and we have 2 areas. The axis is known for both, and cut is the solution. Okay, you see how it looks. We continue with this contour, which has this axis placed at 36, just like the other frontal shape. Dimensions are here: 42, 28, 20, 10 and 6. Let's do this. We use the other plane, YZ, F7, and we draw a horizontal line from this face to the center. Now nothing is sure. We make it center line. Then I turn a little this part and I project this arc because I want to make coincident the end point of here to midpoint of that arc. I also place this point on the same vertical with the center point, but this is already placed, so we continue by drawing that lines. Vertical, horizontal, down, left, down, and we go here to end it here. This line is not useful, we don't need it. Dimensions. This is 42. The other is 28. Then 20, 10, and 6. Fully constrained sketch. Finish, revolve, cut. We have only one area, no problems. These two are by default. Okay, now this cuts, you see here, radius 6, diameter of 6 on a 90 millimeters diameter. The first one is this one at 45 degrees, and there are 4. You see here 4 millimeters is the face, this face. So we go from the bottom with a new plane, place at -4. Then we create a sketch, F7, line from the center point. 90 divided by 2 is the length, tab, 45 is the angle. I forgot to rotate this with X to the right. Then we draw lines to create that I hover here to catch the parallel. Now we have a parallel. I press the left button, I go here and back to the external circle. This center must be placed on this point, which means trim this end. I make this line as a construction line, radius 6, and what is that dimension? Maybe a tangency or other small problem. Not parallel. These are not parallel. This is an angle. Remove, done, parallel. This with this, because this was parallel with this. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Extrude. This is the contour with cut through all. Okay. Good. Now I place here a hole of 6 diameter. This is through 6 millimeters diameter, and this is the face, this is the center. Okay. We apply circular pattern for the extrusion and the hole about this axis, not 6 but 4 instances. Good. Now you see 4 holes on the front face. They are placed in the centers of these bosses. Dimensions are here, 4 holes of metric 4 equidistant. 12 and 10 are the depths. The same as these ones from here. 3 of metric 4 equidistance, 12 and 8. Let's do this. I select this face, sketch. Now I have the points for the centers, and I apply hole. The hole is threaded, not full depth, but on a distance. The thread is ISO, is metric 4, and this distance is 10, the other is 12. We select centers to apply holes. Okay. Now the other one, which is placed to the right on a circle of 40. So I create a new sketch. I draw a vertical line with a length of 40 divided by 2. Finish sketch, hole. The definition is the same, and I apply it right here. Then circular pattern for the last feature about this axis in number of 3. Okay. Now you see undimensioned fillets are radius 2, undimensioned chamfers are 1. Let's apply this. We start with the fillets. 2 is by default. I can go very easily to each one, no problems. Okay. I hope I didn't miss anyone. Also, 2 are these 4 arcs. and also here and here also 2. Okay, chamfers. This is a chamfer of 1, not 2. Also this, and also this. Okay, very good, very nice. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy the value, close, drawing, double click, and paste. There is a small difference. We keep the last value, of course, because this is what we did here. We go back, we apply material, which is steel cast. Steel cast. The color is smooth olive, light orange, not olive. And we select faces for machining. This one I keep press the shift button. When I click to select a face, the aspect is still polished. This is. Now if I eliminate edges, we can compare the two parts. This is one and this is the other. I forgot a chamfer. This is the difference. You see? Let's apply that chamfer. Double click here and select also this. Okay. I also have to select this for applying steel polished. Once again. Now you don't see any difference. Let's check the new value of the volume. Properties, physical, update, select, copy, double click, and paste. We modify this to use the last value. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.